Have you ever wondered how the strength of an elephant compares to that of other wildlife? Welcome to this amazing channel. Sit down and grab a cup of coffee as you enjoy this amazing stories. When we speak of strength in the animal kingdom, the elephant is undoubtedly a pinnacle of power. This majestic beast towers over other creatures, with adult males reaching up to 13 feet in height and weighing as much as 6 tons. But it's not just about size and weight. The elephant's muscular structure is a marvel in itself. Its trunk, a unique fusion of nose and upper lip, contains an astonishing 40,000 individual muscles, giving it unrivaled strength and versatility. Now let's consider other giants of the wild. The rhinoceros, the hippopotamus, the gorilla, each impressive in their own right, yet none quite match the elephant's sheer physical prowess. Whether it's uprooting trees, carrying heavy loads, or protecting their young, elephants truly are the titans of the terrestrial world. The sheer size and muscular structure of an elephant make it one of the strongest creatures on land. To truly appreciate the strength of an elephant, we need to delve into the specifics. First, let's consider the trunk, a marvel of evolutionary engineering. Unlike any other appendage in the animal kingdom, it's a fusion of the elephant's nose and upper lip, and it's packed with an astonishing 40,000 muscles. That's over 200 times the number in an entire human hand. This gives the elephant unmatched flexibility and control, allowing it to perform delicate tasks like picking up a single blade of grass, yet it's strong enough to rip branches off trees or lift weights of up to 700 pounds. Now let's move on to the elephant's carrying capacity. It's easy to think of ants as the champions here, capable of carrying up to 50 times their body weight. But consider this, an elephant weighing in at a hefty 6 tons can carry up to 20% of its body weight. That's over 1 ton for extended periods. That's the weight of a small car. And finally, let's talk about endurance. Elephants can travel up to 50 miles in a single day, a distance that would leave most animals exhausted. This stamina is particularly impressive when you consider their size and the challenging terrains they navigate. Even the fleet-footed horse, known for its endurance, would struggle to maintain this pace day after day. But what's truly remarkable about the elephant's strength is how it's utilized. Elephants use their power not only to survive, but to shape their environment, toppling trees to create grasslands or digging water holes that benefit other wildlife. Their strength, in many ways, is a key driver of the ecosystems they inhabit. So when we talk about the strength of an elephant, we're not just talking about raw power or heavy lifting. We're talking about a complex interplay of physical prowess, adaptability, and environmental impact. We're talking about an animal whose strength is intricately tied to its survival and the survival of other species in its habitat. The elephant's strength is not just about brute force, but also about endurance and versatility. Now, how does an elephant's strength stack up when faced with potential threats in the wild? When we talk about the sheer strength of elephants, it's not just about their size and power, it's also about how they use this strength to face potential threats. Elephants are not typically prey animals because of their formidable size and strength, but they can, on occasion, become targets for certain large predators such as lions or crocodiles. So how do elephants handle these threats? Well, they have some unique defensive mechanisms. For instance, when a pride of lions threatens an elephant herd, the adults form a protective circle around the younger members, using their massive bodies as a shield. Their long tusks serve as potent weapons capable of inflicting serious damage on any predator foolish enough to attack. Now let's compare this with the defense mechanisms of other animals. Take the gazelle, for instance. Gazelles can't match the elephant's raw strength, but they compensate with remarkable speed and agility. They can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, zigzagging to evade their predators. Then there's the snake. Unlike the elephant or the gazelle, a snake doesn't rely on size or speed. Instead, many snakes use venom as their primary defense. This venom can paralyze or even kill a threat much larger than the snake itself. Each animal in its own way has adapted to survive in the wild. The elephant's size and strength, the gazelle's speed, and the snake's venom are all examples of how animals have evolved unique defense mechanisms. These adaptations aren't just about being the strongest or the fastest, they're about survival. Despite their strength, elephants, like all animals, have evolved unique defense mechanisms to deal with threats in their environment. So, what have we learned about the strength of elephants compared to other wildlife? We've discovered that elephants, these remarkable pachyderms, are undeniably one of the strongest creatures on land. Their immense strength, derived not just from their size but also their unique physical characteristics, puts them in a league of their own when compared with other wildlife. Let's quickly recap. We've learned that an elephant can carry up to 2 tons. That's the equivalent of carrying 2 small cars on their back. This colossal carrying capacity far exceeds that of other land mammals. In fact, with their muscular trunk alone, which contains over 40,000 individual muscles, they can lift objects up to 400 kilograms. This is far more than what a gorilla, often considered one of the strongest animals, can lift. We've also seen how elephants use their strength in the wild. They're capable of knocking down trees, creating paths through dense vegetation, and even warding off predators. The elephant's strength is not just about brute force, it's about survival, it's about shaping their environment, and it's about protecting their herd. Moreover, the elephant's strength is not only physical. They are equipped with a keen intelligence, a strong social structure, and an extraordinary memory. These attributes, combined with their physical might, make them one of the most resilient species in the wild. In comparison, other wildlife, even the powerful lion or the robust rhinoceros, pale in contrast to the elephant's strength. It's not just about the weight they can carry or the trees they can topple, but also about the challenges they can overcome, the distances they can cover, and the impact they have on their environment. Indeed, the strength of an elephant is an incredible testament to the power and diversity of wildlife on our planet. It's a gentle reminder of the remarkable capabilities of nature and the mind-boggling diversity that our world holds. In the grand scheme of Earth's wildlife, the elephant stands tall, strong, and truly unparalleled. Indeed, the strength of an elephant is an incredible testament to the power and diversity of wildlife on our planet. Thank you for watching this amazing story. Welcome back for more stories about nature.